How's it going, guys? Welcome to Gamemode for Colossal server. Um, for anyone who didn't gather by the name, or if you read the description and you still didn't understand, this is a Gamemode 4 server. Gamemode 4 pretty much is vanilla with mods. Pretty much, it's like the easiest way to explain it. And we have a few of those mods, or modules, as Sparks, the creator, would say. But not a lot. We've got the ones that could be good for a server, and we've gotten the ones that we've tested and don't really experience lag. Um, we could add about 2 or 3 more, but just chose not to because then we'd have to edit it a lot more, and we can't really be bothered. So pretty much, the way we've set it up is if I go into Gamemode 3, and I can, so just give me 1 second. I'm using a push to talk because my mic is pretty bad. If we go into Gamemode 3, as you can see, there are Endermen and stuff. So we are playing on hard, but this right here is a kill tracker, and this will record all the kills taken towards a skeleton, creeper, enderman, zombie pigman, witch, cow, mushroom, villager, spider, sheep, pig, and a cave spider. And if it detects that that is one of those mobs, it will add a point. So it pretty much just allows us to have a good like a good way to give a reward if you have so many kills. So we've made it so you can create monster spawners. You can create them in a custom crafter, which is right there, and that is one of the modules. And I'll go through the modules in a second. So yeah, that is one of the modules, and it also is crafted right over here. I can't go into it because I'm in Gamemode 3, but pretty much it's 8 iron bars and a nether star. We feel like this is a very fair recipe, as a also by using Gamemode 3 I can only see caves, so, and ores, but I actually only use it for right now. And to be able to use these command blocks, I have not even seen the world within about 80 blocks of any direction. But yeah, so I'm going to go through the kills of how many kills it takes to be able to get a spawn egg. This spawn egg can be used with a monster spawner, or it can be used with a dungeon's monster spawner, and it will change into that mob. So I'm going to go through the kills. First we have a skeleton with 250, a creeper with 250, enderman with 250. Then we have a zombie pigman with 150, a witch with 100, a cow with 250, a mushroom with 125. We put it at this, we halved the cow because it's about, it's pretty rare, but they give a good source of food. A villager is 50, so you have to kill 50 villagers before you get a spawn egg, but if you get a spawn egg you can spawn unlimited villagers, so that's why we justified about 50. A spider is 250, a sheep is 200, a pig is 250, and a cave spider is 150. Natural regeneration is also off. I can show you that by going into Gamemode 1. So as you can see, I'm in, oh wait, whoops, Gamemode 0, sorry. You can see that I'm not regenning. So I'm going to go for the modules, and then we can just start our survival gameplay. So installed we have bat grenades, XP storage, vertical rails, custom crafter plus a standard crafter, lightning rods, blast furnaces, and an enchant extractor. Included we have all this, so, and we also have natural regeneration off, so this should be a good server. We were going to add custom terrain because it just came out, but it's extremely laggy, and it takes pretty much a dedicated server to be able to run it. I've got a pretty damn good PC. I've got 8 gig dedicated to Minecraft, and custom terrain was still lagging, so it definitely takes it out. We might plan on adding soul probes or soul shards, whatever, in the future. If you don't know what that is, it's pretty much this compacted, but this is the best we could do. But I think it works, so pretty much it tests for a written book. Oh wait, I'm not in creative. So, Okay, so it tests for a written book, and because this is also my pick block, this isn't going to work as well. But I will show you the command block, and then hopefully it'll work. Okay, so it tests for a written book with the word spawn and then whatever the villager is. So this one's a spider, and you can see it tests for it. If that's true, it gives you a comparator signal and it turns on all this redstone, which pretty much just tells you to see it detects if it's got 250 for a spider, I think. Yeah, 250. And if so, it will give you a spawn egg, but if you don't have 250, it'll take the book and quill and throw it away. If you do have 250, it'll take the book and quill and give you a spawn egg. So you could lose a book and quill if you don't have 250 kills. But I've allowed people on the server. This is whitelist only, so if you do want to join, please write below, and I will see what I can do. We do want a few players on this. People who do record do have a better chance. But yeah, so we wanted it so that it was fair, but it wasn't difficult. I don't know if that makes sense, because I gave everyone the option to be able to check their kills, and 3/4 of the people said no. So for that reason, because if they check their kills, then there's no mystery to it really. And a book and quill isn't a difficult item. It's very hardly used unless creating for like shops and such. So that's why I chose a book and quill. Plus it's easy to test for. So I reckon it's time to get started with Gamemode survival. And from now on, I will turn off push to talk. It was only because I wanted it to be a small file for a longish part of the video. So yeah, so let's get started. Also, all these items. Whoops, crap, throw that away. Yeah, all these items. Oh my gosh, I'll throw them away in a second too. All these items are from like I've earned legitimately. I have not cheated any of them. There's a desert temple right at spawn. Pretty sure you guys saw it. And me and myself and another member went in there and got some diamonds and emeralds. And well, I didn't get any emeralds, but he got the emeralds. But I got some iron horse armor, so I was pretty happy. And then there's a village. I don't know, probably about 150 blocks out, 200 blocks out ish. And there was a village, and I got some wheat and some carrots and stuff. So yeah, so I'll go on to survival. I'm gonna de-op myself, and voila. Hey guys, so as I said, we're back. Everything's all set up. Oh, I just forgot about this natural regen. Can't get down. There we go. Okay. Where'd that spider just go? Or did it just say spawn? I'm not sure. Okay, apparently some mobs have been dying. Okay. Oh, the sugarcane. I should probably grab that. So pretty much this is gonna be like a really, really short episode compared to the rest. This will probably be a max of like 15 minutes. All the others will be hopefully at least 15 minutes, if not 20 minutes. But pretty much I'm just gonna be talking about what. Oh God, no, please. I was lucky. Can't let any mobs hit me. I'm already down to. Oh no. Come on, quick. Come on. I gotta be careful about like skeletons and stuff as well. It's so scary. Okay, cool as. I wanted this sugarcane, that's why I came over here. Let me turn up my. Oh no, 16 should be fine. I'll turn it on 14. I'm running Optifine, as you can see, which just allows my side and the server to be a little bit less laggy. Yeah, so pretty much I want I'm gonna be I want to build something like I want my spawn, not my spawn, my house to be something memorable. So I don't know if any of you guys watch Exumavoid from Hermitcraft. But last season, like the one before Amplified, he did the huge. He took out all of the sand, all of that desert, for just for. That is really weird. Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, yeah. He took out all that desert just for his house, so that it was memorable. I don't want something like that, but something memorable is what I'm aiming for. So if you guys have any ideas, oh, I was trying to eat iron or something. Whoops. If you guys have any ideas, make sure you send me some. I'm gonna be creating a Twitter soon, so that I can chat with you guys all the time. By the way, my name's Corey. I should probably have said that for any of you that don't know. Yeah. I don't mind if you. Oh gosh, that really scared me. Is there any ores? No, I need to get some ores. Let's get some stone. Yep. Yeah. So I'm probably gonna be doing like this episode and next episode. There'll probably be a bit of a gap. So like I might have some armor and stuff. Might even have a house getting built. I'm not exactly sure what I'm gonna be having and what I'm not gonna be having. Um, but um, the problem with having a the problem with having a let's play is that not everything can be recorded. So oh gosh, no, go away, you stupid zombie. Oh no, well, that works. I don't have any coal, do I? Damn it. Oh, there's coal right there. Cool. Or should I say coal? Oh. Um, yeah, so the problem with doing a let's play is that not everything can be recorded. Um, and the reason I say that is because um, a lot of the stuff that um, I might do on the spot, and I might not be able to record. Like say if it's like late at night or really early in the morning, I might not be able to record. Um, I keep doing that. Just reasons, and so for that reason, um, if I do, huh, if I, oh, there's a dungeon right there. Cool as. Didn't even notice. Um, yeah. So for that reason, come on, no. Don't be doing this. Don't be doing this. There we go. Oh my gosh, so many mobs. Oh no. Oh. Okay, let me make some torches. This is scaring me. Um, oh, it scares the crap out of me. Stupid spider. Crap. Need to try and not let them come to me. So I'm gonna block off there. Yep. Now it slows them down. Cool. No. Oh gosh. Far out. How many of these are there? Man, I wish there was a zombie. I should have set up a zombie one. Would have been like a tenth of the way. Come on. Okay, come on. There we go. Let's. Oh, is that a dungeon? Oh, there's a dungeon there too. Oh, no wonder they're spawning so often. Oh, that explains a lot. Okay, let's see what we got. Cool as. Oh, yes. Already up to 3 saddles. And we found another dungeon too, so we still have to get this dungeon. So let's light this up a little bit. Okay, let's kill this spider Reno. You're dead. There we go. We're doing. Oh, diamond horse army. Yes. Sick as. Okay, we're way ahead of everyone already. Let's see. Is there any iron in here that I can grab? But yeah. So the problem with having a server like this is that people like if there's certain like people might come up with cool ideas. Like say there's a new crafter that's like with Gamemode 4. There's all these new items, new things popping up. So if at any time that I want to grab a new module, I will tell you guys on the next video. But yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna end this on a positive note with 2 dungeons. Um, next, um, next episode, I'll see if we can maybe work on those dungeons and create a, because there's a spider one and we can get a spider egg off it. So that could be cool. That could be really useful. So yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to slap the like button below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See yous.